English questioning words. Amagambo y'icyongereza abaza. Tujye kurebera hamwe amagambo y'icyongereza abaza, turatanga ingero uko zikurikirana. Ndabibutsa gukora like, subscribe and share kugira ngo urusheho kubona notification z'amasomo yacu uko tuyashyizeho. Ijambo rya mbere mu magambo tugiye kwiga ni ijambo who. Who bisobanuye nde. Ijambo rya kabiri ni what. Iki. When. Ryari. Where. Hehe. Why. Kuki. Which. Ikihe cyangwa se uwuhe. Whose. Nyiri cyangwa se nyiri ikintu runaka. Whom. Uwo. Ayo magambo yose tugiye kuyarebera hamwe tudatinze, reka dutangire. What is your favorite color? Ukunda irihe bara? What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Ibara nkunda ni ubururu. My favorite color is blue. Ibara nkunda ni ubururu. My favorite color is not red. Ibara nkunda si umutuku. My favorite color is not red. What do you do for a living? Ukora iki? Utunzwe n'iki? I am an artist. Ndi umuhanzi. I am an artist. Artist ni umuhanzi cyangwa undi munyabugeni uwo ari we wese. An artist. I am not an artist. Ntabwo ndi umuhanzi cyangwa ntabwo ndi umunyabugeni. I'm not an artist. What are you doing this weekend? Iyi weekend uzakora iki? What are you doing this weekend? Iyi weekend uzakora iki? I am going hiking this weekend. Nzajya guterera imisozi iyi weekend. Hiking ni ukuzamuka, ni guterera imisozi. I am not traveling this weekend. Ntabwo nzafata urugendo iyi weekend. I'm not traveling this weekend. Who is the current president of the United States? Ninde perezida wa Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika? Joe Biden is the current president of the United States. Joe Biden niwe perezida wa Amerika muri iki gihe. Kamala Harris is not the current president of the United States. Kamala Harris ntabwo ariwe perezida wa Amerika. Who is coming to the party tonight? Ninde uri buze mu kirori iri joro? Who is coming to the party tonight? Sarah and Tom are coming to the party tonight. Sarah na Tom baraza mu kirori iri joro. John is not coming to the party tonight. John ntabwo ari buze iri joro. Who won the game last night? Ninde watsinze umukino ijoro ryashize? Who won the game last night? The Lakers won the game last night. Lakers niyo yatsinze ijoro ryashize. The Raptors didn't win the game last night. Raptors ntabwo yatsinze ijoro ryashize. Why did you choose this restaurant? Kuki wahisemo iyi restaurant? Why did you choose this restaurant? I chose this restaurant because of its great reviews. Nayihisemo kubera ukuntu igaragara neza. I didn't choose this restaurant because the long wait times. I didn't choose the restaurant because of the long wait times. Why are you late for the meeting? Kuki watinze kuza mu nama? Why are you late for the meeting? Kuki watinze kuza mu nama? I am late for the meeting because of heavy traffic. Nakerewe mu nama kubera umuvundo w'ibinyabiziga. Heavy traffic. I'm not late for the meeting because of my particular reason. Ntago nakerejwe n'impamvu zanjye bwite. Particular reason. Where is the nearest grocery store? Hafi aha nihe haba iduka ricuruza ibiribwa cyangwa se supermarket mu cyongereza gisanzwe. The nearest grocery store is on Main Street. Iduka riri hafi cyane kuruta andi yose ni riri ku muhanda. The nearest grocery store is not far from here. Iduka riri hafi kurusha andi yose ntago riri kure y'aha ngaha. Where did you go for your last vacation? Mu kiruhuko cy'ubushize wagiye he? I went to Hawaii for my last vacation. Nagiye Hawaii mu kiruhuko gishize cyangwa ikiruhuko cy'ubushize. I didn't go to Europe for my last vacation. Ntago nagiye i Burayi mu biruhuko bishize. Where is my book? Igitabo cyanjye kiri he? Where is my book? Your book is on the table. Igitabo cyawe kiri ku meza. Your book is on the table. Your book is not in the living room. Ntabwo igitabo cyawe kiri muri salo. Your book is not in the living room. When is your birthday? Isabukuru yawe ni ryari cyangwa iba ryari? My birthday is in July. Isabukuru yanjye iba mu kwa karindwi cyangwa se Nyakanga mu Kinyarwanda. My birthday is not in December. Isabukuru yanjye ntabwo iba mu kwa 12. My birthday is not in December. When does the concert start? Igiterane gitangira ryari cyangwa ikirori gitangira ryari? The concert starts at 8 p.m. Igiterane gitangira saa 2 z'ijoro. The concert starts at 8 p.m. The concert does not start until 9 p.m. Igiterane ntigitangira kugeza saa 3 z'ijoro. When will you be back? Uragaruka ryari? When will you be back? Uragaruka ryari? I'll be back by 5 p.m. I'll be back by 5 p.m. Ndagaruka saa 11 z'umugoroba. I won't be back until next week. Ntabwo nzagaruka kugera mu cyumweru gitaha. I will not be back. Yes. Nakoze cyane gukurikirana video, nizere ko isomo ryagufashije.